Well, New Pal High School opened today and reported its second COVID-19 case.
At last, 5 school districts in central Indiana have now reported COVID cases among students and staff. They're all handling them differently. And News 8's Julia Dang is here with more on this. Julia.
Hey there, Kylie. There is no uniform policy when it comes to how Indiana districts handle COVID cases. Some reopening guidelines issued by the state are not mandatory, and the state has no threshold for how many COVID cases would force a school to close.
It just adds so much more stress.
Haley Holcomb is a senior at New Palestine High School. By the end of her first day back on Monday, the district had been made aware of 2 students at Haley's school who reported testing positive for COVID-19, including a student who attended the first day.
We can just hope for the best.
According to a joint statement from the Southern Hancock School District and county health officials, the student wore a mask and had a note from a family doctor with an incorrect return to school date. It's unclear how many other people they were in contact with.
It doesn't surprise me, but it's a little nerve-wracking still, having school going on and having to attend every day with people who have been in contact with them.
A New Pal football player tested positive last week. Teammates were notified on Friday as health officials launched a contact tracing effort. The district canceled an optional football practice on Friday, but ultimately moved forward with its reopening on Monday. Even parents happy to be back in the afternoon pickup line say they're worried.
I know that there's more, and also that for the most part kids aren't getting as sick, so they're a lot more likely to take it home and spread it to somebody who will get really sick before anybody knows what's going on.
At least 4 other Indiana districts have now reported a confirmed COVID case. Elwood Junior-Senior High School will shift to e-learning all week after multiple staff members in the district tested positive. Avon High School remains open after 1 staffer tested positive. Warren Central High School still plans to reopen Thursday after a football player there tested positive. And Greenfield Central Junior High made national headlines after a student with a pending test attended the first day back and then learned it was positive.
The family had not waited to get the results, and the student came to school. So as soon as we were notified by the health department, we did isolate the student.
And when I reached out for comment, the governor's office directed us to YouTube videos of his State House briefings. But the positive cases reported by those 5 districts came to light after his last briefing on Wednesday. Live in the studio, Julia Dang, Wish TV and WishTV.com, and be sure to follow us on Facebook.